Edward here from erviewer.com. This is part 3 of the three-part series that I did with Deborah Katz. Again, the target, I was completely blind to the target and the tasking. This was a project that Deborah had come up with to see if a remote viewer could perceive and describe and experience a mentally created space that she and her students had created, and they created it in their own minds, and they also drew it out in drawings on paper out of their minds and put it into drawing. And so this was the third session. How it worked was I had submitted the first 2 sessions to her, and then she responded back with a movement, a real basic movement, which was if there's anything else I want to explore at the target. So a real basic question to see what else might be there of interest to me. So going into it, that was my cue. And this session, it's a short one, but it was really interesting. Some really interesting things I was experiencing going into this one, which was time and aging and biological processes, and the absorption of nutrients in the body seemed the more health-related type of things that were coming through, things that I haven't been able to verify. So when I'm looking at this session, after I got the feedback and I knew what was going on with the target and everything, that this was a mentally created space that they had created for their own spiritual place where they can go in meditation and these types of things. And this, what I was experiencing through this one, makes me look at the notion of possibly maybe someone in the group was creating this space as a healing space for themselves. Maybe somebody was experiencing some health issues, and maybe they were going into this to create this space for their own healing. I'm not sure. I haven't been able to verify that. But that's what I look at when I got my feedback and I'm looking at the session to see what this may have been about. Because that's what I was experiencing. These were very high level, complicated concepts that were coming through. And I didn't really feel the need to go deeply into them. I probably could have done 5 or 6 more sessions just on the ideas and the things that were coming through in this third session. So, but I just didn't feel the energy to do it. So that's what this is. It was a really interesting project. I'm very glad that Deborah reached out to me. And again, if anyone who wants to look her up, Deborah Katz. She is author, teacher, speaker, and just a great person and a very prominent person in the remote viewing community, and highly recommend her for training and anything else she offers, books and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you find this interesting, and many more to come. Alright, session 3. Is there anything else I want to explore with this target? Okay. Zero 51603. Curving, horizontal, across, hard, be energetic. Soft, hairy, smooth, dense, moving, slow, white, around, dense, Aeolian, snow, looping, forward edge, AOL break, time, small, curved, AOL image. Dense, smooth, curved, inside, around, belts, ideas. Grown up. Adults. Three dimensions. AI. Tangible. Oh, the signal. What does this mean? Growing old. Aging. Cellular degradation. The sun rising and setting. Purple. Yellow. Edged. This idea where they're tanked. Tanked. The effects of a substance on the human body. Chemical interactions. Biological absorption of nutrients. Chemical. Body response. Patterns. Patterns. The signal like cancer. Patterns, behaviors. The consumption and absorption of nutrients or elements in the response of the biology, something like that.